Hello everybody, welcome again to our course AutoCAD 2020. Now in this lecture we want to learn how we can draw arc in AutoCAD. So let's go to slide number 9. We can show here that we have many uh, method to draw an arc. Let's go to AutoCAD. First of all, to draw an arc we can go directly to here, okay, and press first point. Then we need to include the center, for example 2, okay, and we can draw an arc like we want first. So can show here, can draw an arc like this, and if we go to this direction, the arc go the interior of the inside of the arc like go to this direction. Okay, we can change the direction of the arc like this, so we can draw an arc like we want here, okay, manually. But here we can show that we have many methods to draw an arc. So let's begin with the 3-point. First of all, let's draw 5. So let's begin with the first option, 3-point. Okay, we need to start now. The AutoCAD tell us to specify the start point of the arc. Let's put the start point here, the second here, and the third here. We can show here that we have an arc this point, and this point start, second, third point. This is the first method to draw an arc. Okay, so that we know we need to use. Let's go now to start the second option, start, center, and end. Okay, this is first we need to begin with the start, the center, and the end point, so we get this arc with the center at the start here, the center here of the arc, and the second point here. If we measure this arc, we have 5 radius, because here this line is equal to 5. Okay, so now let's go to the third option, center, start, center, and angle. So this is the start point, the center, and we need the angle. For example, we need 270. We can get this arc, okay, because here from here to here we have 90, 180, and here we have 270. For example, if we for this start, center, and if we put 360, we get circle. So the AutoCAD tell us that this arc will be a circle, so we can't draw it. Let's draw now. Start, center, let's put 180, so we can get this arc. Okay, let's now go to the length. Now we press the start point, the center. Let's put now the length. For example, if we have the length of the arc, let's put 15, for example. $30. So we can get this length, or type on keyboard the length that we want. Okay, now we need to use start and angle, this option. So start, and so now we can specify the angle of the arc that we want. Okay, we can show like this. Okay, we can show that we have choose an angle. Okay, for example, if we put 45, we can get this arc. Now direction, endpoint, we need to get direction like this. Okay, we can change the direction here with this option like this. We can draw arc like this, for example. Okay, now start and the radius, start and the endpoint, and we can, for example, 10 the radius here. Okay, we can measure, so we have radius equal 10. Start, center, start and end. Now we need, for example, the center here, the start and the end. Okay, so we have many options. Start, center, start, angle, center, start, and the angle. Now we need, for example, 160. we get this angle. Now we need start, center, start, lens, center, start, lens, any lens that we want. And also we need to continue here the last option that we can continue to draw an arc, for example, like this. If we, for example, if we press on enter, we can draw with arc. Okay, so we have many methods to draw an arc. This is so when we want to draw an arc, the choose of the option is related to our shape. If we need start with the point or with the center, or we need to include the or direction or any option that, or the lens, or any specify parameter of the arc we need to begin or import it in AutoCAD. So these are all the method of how we can draw an arc in AutoCAD. Thank you for listening. We'll continue on the next lecture.